Evening to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Reliance 43rd AGM which was completed today. So we'll try to find out the main highlights of this particular AGM. So we'll read out all the updates so that you can clarify all your doubts, and we'll end this video with the basic technical. So you know that today it has closed in negative, and we'll try to find out the possible reasons. So people have not yet subscribed, and definitely subscribe. So let's get started. So you can see the basic updates which he told that GeoMeet has been downloaded by more than 5 million users, and he also said that fulfilled our promise of being net debt free ahead of schedule. So we know that also they have mentioned past few weeks back only that we are going to be debt free. After that, completed India's largest ever rights issue was oversubscribed 1.59x. And if you see Google to invest, so this was the news. So Google to invest around 33,000 crores for 7.7% stake. And next, if you see entering into strategic partnership with Facebook, partnership with Microsoft on Azure clouding going very well, and also raised rupees 2.12 lakh crore. Okay, unprecedented in India, and few can rival in the world. Okay, next, fundraise done. Now look forward to only adding strategic partners in future business. Geo is determined to make India 2G market as well. Okay, next, so other updates you can see that believe we can design an entry level in 4G and even 5G at a fraction of current cost. Geo has designed and developed a complete 5G solution from scratch. So we also know that 5G development has also been recent focus. Also in Bharti Airtel also have discussed about the 5G network. So people have not watched can definitely watch that. So Google and Geo partnering for Android based operating system. So this was what I posted in the thumbnail. So they're also planning for Android based operating systems. So made in India 5G solution will be ready for trial when spectrum is available. Field deployment from next year. Geo will be well positioned to expect a 5G platform. Okay, and I dedicate this 5G solutions to the okay. So he also given statement that is going to dedicate this to Atmanirbhar Bharat vision of PM Narendra Modi. So GeoMeet almost reached 2.5 lakh plus orders per day, will expand groceries to electronics, fashion and other categories. So we know that is diversifying the business as well. And we can see deal with Aramco has not progressed as per original timeline due to unforeseen circumstances. Committed for long-term partnership with Saudi Aramco. So these are the basic highlights of the AGM which were concluded today. So you can see almost all are the positive statements, but why the Reliance share has closed in negative? So let's find out that on charts. So you can see almost all of the shares, Bharti Airtel, Vodafone Idea, Future Retail. So all of these have closed in a negative. Future Retail suddenly from upper circuit, it has given a breakdown and it closed in a LC, because Reliance when it started going down, even all the shares which are related to it also started falling. Now let's see on charts. So on charts you can see that currently we know that Reliance share price around 1800 1844 rupees, and you can see that almost today it went to this particular level, almost it touched we can say the 20 EMA, from where again his small retracement was seen. So we can say that completely somebody has sold, we can say very huge stake. So we can say that some amount of stake was removed by someone. So that's why this much amount of fall was seen in this particular share. So whenever a fall will be there, immediately someone else also will buy. So we need to keep that point also in mind. And again, it started retracing. Okay. So this is the main support. 1780 will be the main support for this company. Okay, and people are invested can definitely hold their shares. Okay, nothing to panic in this particular company. Okay, almost in the AGM also all the statements are positive statements only. Okay, even money flow index suddenly dropped, and we can see almost it showed the correction. Okay, tomorrow we need to watch out what will happen with this company. If any news comes, then definitely update in the Telegram as well as in the community section. This is about Reliance updates. So if you like the video, then definitely like it. So next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.